What has Wealth Warriors Elite Income Empire Coaching Program and Freedom Accelerator done for the serial entrepreneur with a billionaire mindset? Part 3. LeBron James, he hit all-time best. Adrian, I'm frustrated. I can't take another loss. Some of you are tired. Yes. Some of you are scared, trying something new. I get it. But I'm not interested in tomorrow. Today you can survive. I can, I will, I must. Go to my information, to my profile for more information. Speak your why, speak your life, whatever it is you can. It's no can, whatever your circumstance. I can, I will, I must. I can beat it. I will beat it. I must beat it. I have a why. I have family. Breathe the life into your why, into your chest. Do you think LeBron James gave up? 20 years it took him to get there. Yes, you're facing some challenges. You can outlast anything you put your mind to. No alarm clock needed. Your passion wakes you up every day. Some things in life you just don't need money for. You don't need a degree. You don't need education. All you need is a computer, a laptop, and some action. Yes, you have been stronger. You've been brighter. Yes, you may have failed, but is it hard? Is it the first time that you're trying something new? Don't give up. You can succeed. Don't quit when you're right there. You're right there. You go to school, you get the education, then you give up. Just because you fail doesn't make you a failure. Just because you lose doesn't make you a loser. Sometimes all it is you make up your billionaire mindset to never quit and stay consistent. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. Yes, you're going to have roadblocks, you're going to have mental blocks, but you can make it through anything. You have to work a little harder, maybe give a little bit more. If you're watching this right now, you're a survivor. Check the information in my profile if you need help, but make the rest of your life the best life, because you can, you will, and you must. Let's go.